Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Sometimes you might run into some problems when deleting files in Windows 10. Today I'll give you 3 possible solutions to finally delete that file. I'm also going to show you one free application that you can use if the first 3 methods fail. I try to stay away from installing additional software, so I do advise to try the first 3 methods. In most cases, this problem occurs because the file is in use by another program, but it can also be stuck in general lock mode, or even a virus could be the cause. Before we look at the possible solutions, you should make sure that you have tried restarting your computer first, as this can unlock the file. On to the first method. Sometimes it's possible to create a new file with the exact same name and extension and have this replace the undeletable file. When this works, you can afterward delete the new file like normal. I'll show how to do this with a simple example. In our case, the file with name undeletable test.txt is the file that we can't delete with the normal delete method. We start by searching for Notepad in the Windows 10 search bar. Open it and type a few random characters in it. Next, you have to click on File and select the Save As option. Of course, we must navigate to the location where the undeletable file sits. Then we have to change the Save As type to All Files. For the file name, I have to enter the exact same name and extension. So in our case, this is a .txt file, but I could have another extension, of course. You can click on the undeletable file to select the correct name and extension. I also need to add quotation marks at the beginning and end of the file name. If you forget the quotation marks, it won't work. Click on Save to continue. This results in a message popping up explaining that this file already exists and if you want to replace it. Of course, click on Yes to continue. If everything went as planned, the undeletable file should now be replaced by the new file. You can now delete the Notepad file as you would normally delete a file. This method can work depending on the complexity of the undeletable file. The next method is quite easy when it works, and you also get a clear error when trying to delete a file. In our example, you can see that the error message shows that the file is in use by another program or process. The program is clearly still active, but this is just to simulate the problem. Now, you probably already closed the program, and even after a reboot, you're still getting the same error message. This usually means that you need to be looking at a process that automatically starts when restarting Windows. In my case, we are going to see if the program is active in Task Manager and if we can close it there. To open Task Manager, you right-click on the Windows 10 taskbar and select Task Manager. In our example, we can't delete a file because it's being used in the DaVinci Resolve software. So we search for the program in our apps, right-click on it, and select End Task. With a bit of luck, you can now delete the file. The next method we are going to try is deleting the file with CMD or command prompt. This is a bit of a long shot, but it works from time to time, so I had to include it in this tutorial. To open CMD, click on the Windows search bar and search for command prompt and select Run it as an administrator. To delete a file, you need to enter del and the exact location of the file. You can copy the exact file location by holding the Shift key followed by right-clicking on the file. This gives you the additional option to select Copy as Path. We switch back to the command prompt window and enter del, followed by pasting our Copy as Path. You can paste in CMD simply by right-clicking in it. Press Enter and hopefully you can finally delete that unremovable file. TXT file in my Documents folder disappeared, as you can see. If you tried all of the methods from this tutorial and you still cannot delete a file, you could explore third-party software that might succeed where we failed. I avoid installing additional software when I can, but sometimes we run out of options. From the free software that I tried, I'm most satisfied with Unlocker. It's easy to use and it doesn't install additional third-party software. When you need to use a program like this to delete a file, it's almost certain that a virus is causing the issue. Once you have installed Unlocker, you can navigate to the undeletable file through a standard tree structure. In my case, I don't have a file that I cannot delete. When I select the test file, Unlocker says that there isn't a locking handle found. If there is a locking handle found, you get the option to try and remove it. There are a few actions to choose from. You can delete, rename, or remove files. This works for files even when they aren't locked. If you still can't delete a file, you should consider restoring your PC to factory settings. While this might sound drastic, for not being able to delete some random file, it is fairly likely that your PC is under the influence of a virus. On my channel you can find a tutorial on how to perform a factory reset in Windows 10. Let me know if you are still experiencing issues and I'll do my best to help. Subscribe to the channel if you are interested in watching more software related tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.